Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new era of aerial dominance. Today, we dive into the world of one of the most advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicles ever created, the Bayraktar TB3, a marvel of modern engineering. The TB3 is not just a drone. It's a game changer in military strategy, a symbol of technological prowess, and a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation. And now, with its recent sale to Indonesia, the TB3 is set to redefine the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region. Strap in, because this is the future of warfare. To understand the significance of the Bayraktar TB3, we must first look at its lineage. The TB3 is the latest iteration in the legendary Bayraktar series, developed by the Turkish defense company Baykar. Its predecessors, the TB1 and TB2, have already made history. The TB2 in particular gained global recognition for its decisive role in conflicts such as Syria, Libya, Nagorno-Karabakh, and Ukraine. With its cost-effectiveness, precision strikes, and ability to loiter for hours over the battlefield, the TB2 became a symbol of how drones can reshape modern warfare. But Baykar didn't stop there. They took everything they learned from the TB2 and pushed the boundaries even further. Enter the Bayraktar TB3, a drone designed to dominate not just the skies, but also the seas. So, what makes the Bayraktar TB3 so special? Let's break it down. The TB3 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle, but it's so much more than that. It's the world's first armed drone capable of operating from short-runway aircraft carriers like TCG Anadolu, making it a critical asset for naval operations. This is a game-changer for nations looking to project power across vast oceanic territories. Powered by a more robust engine, the TB3 boasts enhanced payload capacity, allowing it to carry a wider array of advanced munitions. Its modular design means it can be equipped with everything from precision-guided missiles to electronic warfare systems, making it adaptable to any mission profile. With a wingspan of 14 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 1,450 kilograms, the TB3 is built for endurance, capable of staying airborne for over 24 hours. That's an entire day of uninterrupted surveillance or strike capability, especially when deployed from TCG Anadolu. But what truly sets the TB3 apart is its integration with Turkey's indigenous defense systems. It's equipped with the latest in AI-driven targeting, satellite communication, and swarm technology, allowing it to operate autonomously or as part of a coordinated drone fleet. This isn't just a drone, it's a force multiplier, particularly when launched from TCG Anadolu, enhancing the ship's strategic capabilities. In a groundbreaking move that has captured global attention, Indonesia has secured a transformative deal to bolster its defense capabilities. The acquisition of 60 sets of Bayraktar TB3 drones and 12 Akıncı drones marks a pivotal moment in the nation's journey toward becoming a regional powerhouse. With a staggering combined investment of $5.3 billion, this deal underscores Indonesia's unwavering commitment to safeguarding its vast archipelago and securing its strategic interests in the Indo-Pacific. The Bayraktar TB3, renowned for its ability to operate from short runways and deliver long-endurance missions, is tailor-made for Indonesia's unique geographical challenges. With 60 sets now part of Indonesia's arsenal, the nation gains a formidable edge in maritime surveillance, border security, and rapid response operations. Coupled with the Akıncı, a high-altitude, long-endurance drone, this acquisition equips Indonesia with unparalleled surveillance and defense capabilities. Together, these advanced systems will play a critical role in protecting Indonesia's territorial integrity and maritime sovereignty. This deal is more than a transaction. It's a strategic partnership that highlights Turkey's rising influence in the global defense market. By exporting state-of-the-art technology to a key player in Southeast Asia, Turkey has cemented its position as a leader in defense innovation. For Indonesia, this partnership signifies a bold step forward in its quest to modernize its armed forces and assert its role as a regional leader. The world is watching as Indonesia and Turkey forge a path of collaboration and innovation. This deal is not just a win for both nations, it's a testament to the power of strategic vision and technological advancement in shaping the future of global security. The Bayraktar TB3 is more than just a drone, it's a harbinger of a new era in military strategy. In a world where asymmetrical warfare is becoming the norm, this system offers a decisive edge. It's cost-effective, highly adaptable, and capable of delivering precision strikes without risking human lives. But beyond its military applications, the TB3 represents something greater, a shift in how nations approach defense. It's a reminder that innovation is the key to security, and that the future belongs to those who dare to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, as we look to the horizon, one thing is clear. The Bayraktar TB3 is not just a tool of war, it's a symbol of progress. It's proof that with a vision, determination, and ingenuity, we can overcome any challenge. And as Indonesia joins the ranks of nations embracing this technology, the world watches with bated breath. The future is here, and it's taking flight. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Bayraktar TB3, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest in defense technology. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep looking to the skies.